second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking.
You so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
It's currently 6:53. It's Wednesday, July 31st. So tomorrow is a new... Yeah, I just wanted to come out here and tell y'all good morning. As you can see, we didn't find much today, but we did get 2 pair of shoes for Rakaya. She got Converse and New Balance. So we'll show y'all that when we get to the house. It is currently 5:57 p.m. So good timing. When we leave here, we're probably going home. I'm not sure yet. You at work tomorrow? I know. She trying to drink.
She ain't playing. She ain't playing.
On picture. And you gonna be mad now and be hollering.
You know it too, right?
So stop playing. I ain't playing with you, little boy. We're done and we're about to pack up and leave. So we'll be back. Okay, y'all. It is like, what time is it? It's 1:06 on Saturday. And we are currently at the car wash. I'm just here, y'all, being here. Baby's actually washing the car. But yeah, so it's 1:08. We're at the car wash. And we got a few errands to run today, so we're going to take y'all along with us. We got to go to the grocery store, to the post office, do some school supply shopping. And yeah, so we're going to do a little vlog with y'all today. And y'all had to roll my pantsuit because I got on like some wide leg pants and I did not want them to get like all wet. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. It's just me, Nick, and Rakaya right now because Ryder's with his grandma. So yeah, we're washing the car and Rakaya's inside. Yeah, last night I went out. Let me tell you, younger turn. Who said you can't be a mama and be turned? If anybody tell y'all you can't be a mama and still do what you want to do, that's a lie. You can, baby. I'm living proof. Nick's spraying us with this water, y'all, so I'm gonna get back in the car. Y'all, my skin is looking good today. We're just sitting in the car being princesses because babe's washing. But yeah, y'all, so I will be back and I'll show y'all the rest of the car wash and I will be back at our next stop. Okay, y'all, so we have the car all washed. Now we're all cleaning it out. We don't make her do this part by herself because that would be mean. So we all help. Yeah, so we're just vacuuming out and cleaning out the car. And we're almost done. We had to take Ryder's seat out and clean it with the pressure washer while we washed the car. So we did that, and now we're just cleaning out the inside, getting all the carpets back in. And once we're done with this, y'all, I'll be back. It's dirty in there. Okay, y'all, so we are now going into Sam's Club. We just left the car wash. We stay at the car wash about like an hour or and a half because about like an hour or and a half because the car was dirty. But we're going into Sam's, and it is now, what time it is?
It's 2:40.
It is now 2:40. So, yeah, now we're going into Sam's, y'all. This is actually my first time recording like a full vlog in public. So, y'all coming on this journey with me because, you know, people look at you weird when you're recording in public, but we're doing it, so. Okay, we're in Sam's now, and it is now, what time is it, Drew?
3:04.
It's now 3:04, and we just got pizza and ices. We were supposed to just get ices, but I just realized that we hadn't eaten lunch yet, so we just got lunch from Sam's Club. And y'all, we finna eat. Nick got pizza. Drew got a hot dog. And look how she eating it, y'all. Ain't nothing on there. She just eating hot dog. And yeah. Y'all know people look at you crazy when you record, so I'm trying to record and not get too many people in the background. To get quite a bit of so far. You ain't got no paper towel? Okay, y'all. I'm gonna come back when we're done eating because people looking at me strange. Just finished eating. Y'all. Yeah. And now we're gonna go around the store and get what we need. Y'all, why'd you spill her ice as soon as we got to the table? Tell them, Drew.
Yeah, I spilled mostly the top part.
Yeah. So I had to get it up.
Oh, I need all those.
And so, oh my gosh. Look, y'all. We don't have space for it. I've been wanting one so bad, but we just don't have room for it. But when we move next year, I'm getting it. I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it, y'all. Y'all, my family be searching for the sample section. They eyeing it. Y'all ain't gonna go.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she making that ass shake, breaking that back till the back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want how much.
Like these, y'all. Sugar punch. They're the sugar punch. They're actually cheap today. Y'all, she be tasting them and checking them out.
Y'all, they left me. They went to find us. Y'all ain't want no sample? What you want? You don't want stuffed chicken breast?
It don't look appetizing.
It don't look what?
Appetizing.
Okay.
It's in the oven. It's in the oven.
Yeah, my ice almost gone. Juice steady using the word appetizer. Okay, girl.
You want some of that, mama?
I got something to have, girl.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out what snack we should get. I kind of want Famous Amos cookies, but I also wanted something with like crackers or nabs in it, but they don't have the variety that I'm looking for. They over there picking flowers, y'all. So, y'all, please just killed our dream. She's talking about she don't eat Famous Amos cookies. Yes, she does.
I said I'm probably not gonna eat them.
Yeah, you will. But they're so good. Okay, y'all, we have to find a different cookie because they talk about they don't like it. So we have to find something different. And you know, for today being my first day, like actually recording content everywhere, I really don't care about the stairs. Like, they don't bother me. What are you looking at? You never seen nobody with a camera before? Yeah. So I thought it would bother me much more than it has been, but it hasn't. So I just wanted to give y'all that update. But if you're thinking about, y'all hear that dog barking at you? So if you're thinking about recording content or like starting your YouTube, you should do it. Stop thinking about it. Just pick up your camera and do it. Because you'll be surprised how far you get if you just keep going. So, yeah, we're still actually looking for the snack to get. Where'd they go? So, y'all, we are done in Sam's, and we use the scan and go line. So I just scan it as we shop, and when we're done, we just leave, which I really like. And yeah, here goes all the people staring again, right?
Yup. Wait, they'll be alright.
Thank you. But yeah, so we're checking out the Sam's, and we will just see y'all when we get time to say real quick that people can be so rude. Like, they don't even have to have a reason or even know you, and they will be rude. One thing I've learned about being in the Southwest is you have to be comfortable with yourself. You have to be comfortable with your skin, or else, like, you will be bothered every time you go out in public, every time you get a dirty look, or every time you get a rude racist comment, or every time you get a rude action. Like, you will be upset. It will ruin your mood. It will make you feel a type of way. And you know, when I first moved here, I really had that issue. But like, here recently, in the last couple of years, like, I'm comfortable with myself. I know who I am, and no one can like get me out of character or get me upset. Like, I don't let anybody have that power to project on me anymore. Like, we're not doing that. It's 2024, y'all. Don't let nobody project on you. Like, don't let nobody have the power to ruin your day. It's not, and you don't have to take it. Like, ladies, I'm trying to tell y'all. Don't care about what people think or what people say or how people act. All you can do is control yourself, your own emotions, and your own actions. And yeah.
Her Nana and Clay? Sorry. Yeah. She must be in your damn ass.
Let me get my flowers on. Aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh. Circle! Real. Well, you lost your belts.
I didn't lose my belts. You put them somewhere.
Nah, you
Cause
love
you cleaned my room. You
and we ain't touching our belt. Yeah, I got this mount off a TikTok shop. It's supposed to be like a cart mount. We're gonna see how it works. We're going into Aldi. Yeah, Ricania just licked her finger and rubbed it on my arm. No, she said it's some on my arm. That, get it. Okay, she just want me to walk around with a mark on my arm. Y'all, we're in Aldi right now. It is, where's your phone? We're using Ricania's phone, y'all. It is now 4:22 in the afternoon. It's still Saturday. And we're just making some grocery runs, y'all. We already been to Sam's Club. And now we're at Aldi. Babe is trying to get this mount on. About to do some shopping at Aldi.
Second every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we were fighting less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it
baby and stuff. I just be in the way sometimes, so I try to stay back. I'm taking this mat off though. See, I'm doing some. And then look at the lid. So y'all, we just got home. Don't mind that chair. We're gonna put it in our bedroom. Look at it, it's so cute, right? So y'all, we just got home, putting the dishes up. I'm gonna let y'all put the dishes up with me, and then we got a few more stops to make. I'm tired, but it's okay. Yeah. The frozen stuff. We got chicken wings, pork chops, that kind of thing. Yeah. Chicken nuggets, grilled cheese. That's everything that's in the freezer. Nice. Y'all, tell baby to love me. They said to love me. So y'all, we just came into Dollar General because they have this chip sale going on, and it's right here in the front. Oh, look at this stuff, y'all. Take an additional 50% off. Yeah, I like clearance stuff, but I think this is the clearance table. Two of these, or one of these, and one of these, or two of these, you get a box of these for free, is what the deal is. So that's what we came in here to do. For our big bags, we're probably gonna do these, maybe Doritos, Tostito chips. Are these included? Oh yeah, these are included. I'm probably gonna get one of these and then one of the dips, because we like to use these for our taco salad, so I think that would be good. And for the chips, they don't really have
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm gonna be talking to y'all a while. Oh, okay. So basically, I went to Greenwood, Mississippi for a month, and I left them, and they were really sad.
How did you do?
What? I mean, I knew I was gonna see y'all again, so
y'all see how she doing?
Don't think it's compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Okay. Hey, you. Oh, don't play. Hey.
Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up.
Ever hurt you?
Now open my heart.
Hey.
Give it to you.
Tell the whole world that I'm in love with you.
Whatever you want.
You.
Baby, I
No, don't talk about you. But you. There's nothing I would do, baby. I got a ride from my mom's. Say I'm home, everybody. Y'all ain't seen much of him today. He's gonna run in his sister's room. Watch him. I finally made it back home. We've done all our errands for today. And yeah, we probably just finna kick it. I'm gonna put me a glass of wine. I just went and got a ride from my mom's house, as you guys saw in the last clip. And yeah, oh, I need to show y'all my Dollar General haul. I got all this stuff from Dollar General for like $30. So we got some dish detergent, 2 things of mouthwash, 2 things of toothpaste, 2 Dow body washes, a pack of wipes, 3 big bags of Cheetos, a container of Tostitos cheese dip, a dish drying mat, it has these cute strawberries on it, 2 new ice trays, they both have lids, a book for babe, some flow sticks, and 2 18-count chips, all for $30. Go to Dollar General, you cannot beat it. I'm telling y'all what I know now. I'm telling y'all. So, with my chips out, I like to put them on this red.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you, what you wanna do.
Okay, y'all, well, I'm about to wind down and we'll get ready for bed together. And we're gonna get ready to close out this video. Now, 8:50. And we kinda, we run late tonight, y'all. I just got Ryder back from my mom's. Look, say hi. Say hi. So he just came back from my parents' house. I'm about to feed him. We got our baths. We're having chicken nuggets. He has some applesauce. I didn't really make him fries because he's not gonna eat them. I'm gonna give him some grapes as his fruit. I'm just gonna take a few and rinse them off real quick. He's just having some nuggets and some grapes. He already had an applesauce. I'm gonna fix him something to drink. Come on, eat. Y'all excuse the laundry. The laundry room's right there. Babe's working on laundry, so ignore the baskets. Yeah. Now I am about to boil some eggs so that we can have some tuna. And I'm gonna pour me some wine. I'm probably gonna edit this video tonight so that I can get it posted. And if you guys don't see it tonight, it'll definitely be posted by morning, Sunday. Yeah, I'm about to go me some wine. Fix us some tours, some wine.
Miss Stella got her glue back. I need to get my flowers up some more. I think I want them short, so I'm gonna use this small this small vase because it's shorter, so I'm not gonna keep as much stones as I use. Aren't they pretty?
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein, it's ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now.
I think that's all for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. If you hadn't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.